In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a VIDIQ promo code to save money on subscriptions. If you enjoy this video, feel free to like it and subscribe. Let's get started. So here I am on the VIDIQ.com website. I've been using it for over 2 years now, and I'm really very satisfied. So if you want to get a discount on your VIDIQ subscription or even get your VIDIQ subscription for free, you just need to use the link I've put below this YouTube video. You can find it either in the description or in the first pinned comment under the YouTube video. You really need to use this link because it's a pre-activated link that will give you bonuses. If you click on the link, you'll automatically be redirected to the VIDIQ website. Then all you have to do is sign up with your Google account that's linked, for example, to your YouTube channel. Once that's done, if you go to the plans option, you'll see that you'll automatically be given a promo code both for the annual plan and the monthly plan with a 50% discount. If it doesn't show up, you can also enter the code Let's Get You Started, which will give you a 35% discount for 3 months. And if you click on your VIDIQ subscriptions at the top right, you can see that you'll even get a free 7-day trial where you can use the boost version with all VIDIQ features for free. So you just need to click on Start My Free 7-Day Trial. As you can see, this free trial is truly free. It will cost you $0 for 7 days. To activate it, you simply need to enter your credit card information and then click on Start the free trial. And then once that's done, you'll automatically unlock all the VIDIQ features that you can use with your YouTube channel. That's it. All done. Bye!